We're back. Somebody got a package. I need better friends. My friends need to travel to the distant countries.
Be a topic for a future video, right?
And you got 5 minutes with this. We all know that orange.
What is this?
That orange. Recognize. So here we are. We're starting this new trend. I'm trying to just share a little bit more about our lives, and also I like the fact that we can film our memories. So obviously my wife just got back from Aruba, but this happened before she got to Aruba. So this is an unboxing. Her Louis Vuitton. So if you like watching unboxings, watching a new Louis Vuitton. One of the things that we like about this is how you can get value. And like I said, her friend was out the country that let her know. So you got the big orange box. We know it's Louis Vuitton. You know people are like, okay, what is it?
Should we open it?
Yeah, you gotta open it. Like people ain't watching this video just to see the box. It's unboxed. Ooh, is that wrong?
Oh no, she just got me some shirts and stuff too.
Oh, she's an awesome friend. So she put stuff in there.
I think this is for Faith. This is definitely too small for me.
Yeah, she'll grow into it. Paris though. So apparently this turned into the kid gets stuff.
I think this might have been from Louis Vuitton themselves.
Nah. Well, that paper is, but wow. So I know what it is a little bit, but Alchi, can you tell the viewers what's the name?
Daphne by Louis Vuitton. It has multiple ways you can wear it. It has a gold chain, so you can just wear it over your shoulder like so. What do you think, Faith? And then it has an adjustable strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody or as a longer over your shoulder bag. And I have been searching for this bag since I first saw it in New York about a year ago when we were celebrating your birthday. It was sold out in Charlotte.
So is this one of those, because you know like Speedy, Never Full, they all have like 3 versions.
Yes.
Yeah, so is this 3 versions?
Actually has 2 versions.
Okay,
so
it's 2 versions.
The GG, this is the bigger version.
Okay, the
and
bigger
there's
version.
a smaller version, but the smaller version does not have the gold chain.
Okay.
The smaller version just has the strap.
And we're talking about Louis Vuitton, and we're talking about, obviously this is personal finance. Do you know what it normally retails for here in the U.S.?
In the U.S., it would retail for about $38.50 plus tax. So after sales tax, you're looking at over $4,000.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And do you feel comfortable sharing what the price is it goes for? Where'd you get this?
This came from Paris, France.
Okay, Paris. Patty.
To my good friend Shale. Love you, girl. And in Paris, because Louis Vuitton is manufactured in Paris, it retails for 2,700 euro.
So 4,000
US.
2,700. So about 1,300 bucks just by getting it.
Well, 2,700 euro. So
okay, 2,700 euro. So you might be at like 31. Yeah, you might be. So you might be at like 900 savings. But that's a big difference.
It's a really beautiful bag, and I know you're not a purse expert, but this is lovely.
So what we did and what we started to do, just again, this is personal finance. So when my wife buys a bag, and for us, one of the things that sold, as I told you, I'm building out our investment portfolio. One of the things that we look at when we travel is, hey, look at the lines wrapped around. And one of the things, we've been to Hawaii, we've been to Paris, we've been all over Europe. And what's consistent is Louis Vuitton always has lines wrapped around. Not only do we like it, but other people like it. So when she told me she bought this, naturally, without all the changes, we went ahead and bought more Louis Vuitton stock. So when I bought the stock, my wife bought the stock last year, it was like $70 a share. Now, when I just bought some more of it, it was $163. Even when
diapers, Louis Vuitton purse. That's how we roll here.
Yeah, we got to get our value. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Say hello to the wife. Let us know in the comments what bag you got. Talk to you guys soon.